Hey, it's Alex here from Ninja Teacher, and I'm out here in Da Nang for the first time in a while. Everything is just opened up recently, and it's really nice to be out and about. Let's go out and enjoy this night. We are at Seven Bridges in Da Nang. I'm here with Eddie and Marvin, and we're just having a beer. Our first beer out. How you guys doing?
Yeah, man. I'm on a good vibe right now. Like, had 6 weeks of like cocoon almost, but I got a lot of work done and I'm ready to rebalance a little bit.
Yeah, I'm doing good too. The funny part is, the other day I went to Vinmart. I realized I hadn't left my place for like, I couldn't remember the last time I actually gone out past the convenience store. It was kind of a weird experience.
It's great to be out. Da Nang is now coronavirus free as of what, like a week now, so good times. Look at that guy. This is the most random bathroom in Vietnam. They call it the nicest bathroom in Vietnam. And there's just some interesting stuff here, yeah. That guy, these guys. Why not? Why not?
Berry?
Acai?
Acai.
I don't know how to say it.
It's from Brazil. It's good. It's just like almost double the price of this one, I think. Yeah? How much is that one?
It's almost twice as good though.
That's why, yeah. It's worth
Yeah.
it.
Okay, so we've just got outside of the city and we went down some winding roads to find the road to get there, and Chloe was navigating on the back of the bike. Good job. Driving up along this river now. How's the drive going so far?
It's good getting back into nature.
Yeah.
It's going well.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a cool drive. Like on this part anyway.
Yeah.
This looks nice.
I haven't been out this side.
Like, is that just a giant fishing net? That must be, right?
I wonder what that is.
Oh yeah.
I think they growing shrimp.
Oh, it's like a shrimp farm or something.
Yeah. Oh, what's up? Yo, that's a crazy looking thing.
Yeah. Looks like a kid's toy.
Yeah, it does.
Real. Like
Oh,
a
look.
cockroach. I bet it could be a cockroach.
Quick update. We have come from there. So we've been going up and up and up for probably over an hour, maybe 2 hours. And now we are going down a really steep hill, and I don't know if we'll be able to get back up. So if you didn't realize, we don't really know where we are. So we're kind of hoping we're going in the right direction. And our cell signal has now died. So yeah. So we hit the river here, and there's these little tents right here, which are quite cool. I don't know if people live here or just come camping. View's pretty nice, but we're pretty much still, like, that's what we're going into, that's where we just came out of. So it's starting to get a bit dark now, which is not good, and we don't really know where we are. Yeah, we're just gonna keep going and try join up with the river that has the waterfall on it, and then we'll head down that way if we can. Otherwise we're gonna have to go back the way we came, which is not gonna be fun. That's where we came from, somewhere down there. Maybe. Okay, finally made it. We made it!
This water feels so refreshing. It's so cool, and it's nice to soothe these mosquito and ant bites.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so nice.
So not really what we expected, but we made it to the bottom of the waterfalls, where we could have just driven to if we had found the right road. But yeah, it was what it was.
We didn't know how to get here. We just saw the dot on the map.
Yeah.
Well, let's try to walk towards that point. We made it here. So
Yeah, we made it here. Okay, so that's the waterfall there, which you can't see. And now I think we have to walk about 1 kilometer back to our bikes, if we can.
Some of the things that you do on the bike. Yeah. With some of the hooks,
Got a GoPro? Yeah. So quick updates, I'm here in Hoi An and we're doing a little bit of a beach party here. We're talking about how crazy it is that 2 weeks ago not even 2 weeks ago, like a week ago.
We could get food delivery, but we were still locked down in our apartments. It was like you couldn't have a gathering of more than a few people, right? And now we're at a party.
Now we had a party on the beach. It's great. Things are improving.